Hi, welcome to How to Install. I'm Therese. Today I'd like to show you how to get started with embedding the Install booking engine into your website. We recommend that you have some good experience with your website to do this. If not, consider consulting a web developer. We do offer guides such as this video, and I'm now going to show you how to get to some written articles to help you, but Install support can't do the embedding for you, so keep that in mind. Let's get started. I'd first like to show you how to find those guides and give them a good read before you get going. So here I have the Install Developer Guide. I'm going to link this in this video description below. You can find it there. Give it a good read before you get started. Another really useful resource is our Install Help articles, which are here. I'm going to link these below as well. So go find that link and think about having a look. We can search this for any information that might be useful. For example, our clients like to use WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, and other things. So if we were to search for WordPress, we can see here that there is a WordPress help article about how to add install to your WordPress website. We'll click on that. Give that a read if you have WordPress. You can also search for Squarespace, and there's an article to help with Squarespace. There's one for Wix, and also we can just type in something like embedding. And here's another useful article helping you to embed multiple frames into your website. Again, if you're not very savvy with websites, we'd recommend speaking to the person who built your website or consulting a web developer. But now we've got the developer guide and we've given that a read, and we've had a look through the help articles, I'd like to show you how to get to your specific code in your Install account. I'm now logged into my Install account, and to find my code that I need to embed into my website, I click on Account and I go to Website Integration here on the left. And here is the code that I need to embed my integrated booking engine into my website. This first code at the top, this would allow us to integrate a whole calendar for all of our available bookables with a calendar next to them. That looks something like this. Here is an existing client's website that have gone ahead and used that code just there to embed their bookables and the calendar into their website. Now if we were to go down, here's the way you do it for Wix, because it's a bit different to some of the others. But if we scroll further down, say we wanted to just embed a single bookable calendar, it would look something like this. Here's our client website again. They just wanted one bookable for their cabin, and here's the availability calendar. Now the good thing about these calendars is that if someone wants to book for the date, all they have to do is click on an available date and it will start the booking journey. There's the rates to get going. It will be the same with yours. If someone wants to click on the calendar, it will start the integrated booking journey. The great thing about Install is that the whole booking journey is done on your website. A lot of our competitors will send customers out to third-party websites with complete different web addresses to finish their booking. That doesn't always instill confidence into potential guests, but with Install, it all stays on your website. Anyway, back to our code. So if we wanted to embed just a single calendar for one bookable, like we just saw, we take this code up here and we edit it slightly to look more like this. As you can see, the only change is they've added the bookable ID. For example, if I just wanted a booking calendar for the Willow Creek Lodge, not all of them, I would add bookable and then the bookable ID here into the code here. So that gives you an idea on where you can find the code that you need to start embedding into your website. If you haven't got too much experience, we do recommend consulting a web developer, but these guides are pretty good. Make sure you give them a read. There's another thing I'd like to show you, and that's up here on the left. So if we were to click Account, go to the left and go to Presentation, and if we scroll down, we can see the option to edit all of the colors, the fonts, etc. for our integrated booking engine. This is great if you have your own branding and colors and fonts that you'd like to use. These first several options, you can change the layout and the design of the integrated booking engine. Check through those, look at the preview as you change. And then the calendar style here, this will change the design of the calendar. Soon as you hit save after making any changes, that automatically pushes out to your integrated booking engine. That's even if you've already integrated it. It will update it on the fly so you can have the colors and the presentation that you wish. So just to go over, to get started with embedding the Install integrated booking engine, have a read for our developer guide here. You'll find that linked below. Have a good search through our Install help articles. You'll find the link to the Install help articles library below, and also get to your custom code in Account and website integration. If you do run into problems, Install support is there to help, but just a reminder, we're not able to do this for you. Thank you for watching.